Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate. First, let's gather our essential ingredients for a perfect cup. You will need 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder and 1 to 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, depending on your preference. Also, have 1 cup of milk ready. Whole milk often yields the creamiest result. Don't forget a small pinch of salt, which surprisingly enhances the chocolate's depth. These simple items are the foundation of a delicious, comforting drink. Now let's combine these ingredients. In a small saucepan, whisk together your cocoa powder, sugar, and that pinch of salt. Next, add just a splash of milk, about 1/4 of a cup, to create a thick paste. Stir this vigorously until it's completely smooth and all the lumps are gone. This step is crucial for a silky texture. Then, gradually pour in the rest of your milk, continuing to stir as you do. Keep the heat on medium-low. Continue heating your hot chocolate over medium-low heat, stirring frequently to prevent scorching. It's important not to let it come to a rolling boil. You just want it to be hot and steaming. Once it reaches your desired temperature, remove the saucepan from the heat. Carefully pour the rich, warm beverage into your favorite mug. Now comes the fun part. Add toppings like whipped cream, marshmallows, or a sprinkle of cinnamon for an extra treat. Enjoy your homemade delight. To truly perfect your hot chocolate, consider using a higher quality cocoa powder. It makes a noticeable difference in flavor. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of milk, like almond or oat milk, to find your preferred texture and taste. Also, for those who love to plan ahead, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals that can make meal prep a breeze. You can store any leftover hot chocolate in the refrigerator for up to 2 days, ready for a quick reheat. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.